So everyone knows the saying, the greatest thing since sliced bread. No one says the greatest thing since the iPhone or anything else. So that makes it the standard of all innovation, past, present, and future. And that's why the story of sliced bread is really important. Hi, my name is Ed Douglas. I'm presiding commissioner of Livingston County and the president of the Sliced Bread Corporation. May is Preservation Month, so we are looking at the history of the sliced bread building. This is what it used to be. In 1921, Frank Bench built the Chillicothe Baking Co. The first loaf of bread was commercially sliced here on July 7, 1928. Before that, there was nothing on this lot on the 1869 rendering of town. Learn more about us at our website or scan the QR code.